This morning we've had one of our famous FMS masterclasses. To give it its full title, it's Selecting and Implementing a New FMS or ERP System. It's a bit of a thought leadership session, so it's not a hard sell. We're not actually promoting any one particular product. What we're talking to people about is the process of actually selecting a new financial management solution, if indeed they need to. So we do challenge whether or not people need to select a new FMS. And if they do, then what's the process that they adopt? What's the best way of doing it? The amount of work they're going to need to do, the things they're going to need to consider. What are the key considerations? How do they go about doing it? What's the material out there that they can use? We then talk about implementing a system once you've actually selected one. And what are the processes, the type of people that you need to get involved, your thought process, the type of data that you need, the amount of training that you want, data migration, so all the key aspects of actually implementing the system that you've picked. What are the risks? What are the benefits? How do you go about doing it?
The purpose of today was for me to understand a bit more about the system and how we manage a project of this size over the next 3 to 4 months. David Singh, the Sales and Marketing Director, was extremely helpful, gave away lots of tips and useful information, lots of useful documents for us to go away and make our life a lot easier. I thought the demos were excellent.
In terms of this morning's presentations, I thought that they were excellent, very practical. It's a compliment, but there was no rocket science involved. There were a lot of familiar themes to me because I've been involved in change projects for quite a while now. But equally there's some new ideas and triggered some new thoughts in my head as well.
So again, it's been a very busy session, a useful session, lots of interaction, which is always great. And we ended up with a nice lunch. So again, I think we've had a good day.